How to start a conversation in English. 1. Start with a simple greeting. Keep it short and friendly, like, "Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon." A greeting opens the door for conversation. 2. Add a friendly question. After your greeting, add a simple question to make the conversation flow. Examples: How are you? How's everything? How have you been? What's up? This makes the other person feel comfortable and willing to talk. 3. Use small talk. Small talk helps you continue the conversation naturally. This works in almost every situation. For example, talking about the weather. "It's really hot today, isn't it? Lovely weather today." Talking about the situation. "Is this your first time here? Are you waiting for someone? This place is crowded today, right?" Talking about the event. "What brings you here? How are you finding the event?" Small talk gives you something safe and easy to talk about. 4. Give a genuine compliment. Compliments start conversations quickly because they make people feel good. Examples: "I really like your jacket." "Your English is very good." "That's a nice phone." Make sure the compliment sounds natural and honest. 5. Ask simple personal questions. But not too personal, just friendly. They help the conversation grow. Examples: "Where are you from? What do you do? Do you live nearby?" Keep your tone soft and polite. 6. Introduce yourself. When you feel the conversation is going well, you can introduce yourself. Examples: "By the way, I'm John. I didn't catch your name. Nice to meet you. I'm..." This makes the conversation feel more natural and friendly. 7. Continue the conversation with follow-up questions. Don't stop after one question. Keep it alive with small follow-ups. Examples: "Really? That's interesting. How long have you been doing that?" "Oh, nice! Tell me more about it." Follow-up questions show you're interested. That's how real conversations grow. Conclusion: starting a conversation in English is easy when you greet first, ask a simple question, use small talk, give compliments, introduce yourself, ask follow-up questions. With practice, you'll speak confidently anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.